things don't always go to plan, and that is one thing that you must note about life. However, first let us tell you about this beautiful place where we are standing at. There has been an immense amount of rainfall in Tamil Nadu, in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, and there's been a huge amount of damage to not just property and waterlogging in the cities and a lot of shutdowns, etc., but also a lot of damage to farms. So this episode, this video is dedicated to all the farmers out there. We hope you recover, we hope for all the best, and our heart goes out to all the losses that they've had in their fields.
And not just the farmers, all of you across these 2 or 3 states that are affected by the floods. We're very, very sorry for the damage and loss. Please stay safe, please be careful.
Yes, but however, our job is to be moving forward and bringing you all the best places to see and eat. So while everybody does their job, we have to do ours. And that's why this morning you find us on this beautiful National Highway 65 heading east out of Vijayawada. And where the original plan was to turn south and go down into Tamil Nadu, that is no longer possible because of the floods. Therefore, the plan is now seeing a change. What is the change, my friend?
The change is that we're going to switch direction at some stage, but we're not going to tell you where we land up, because guessing that is your job. So you, please write into us and tell us where #roadtripping with RNM and History TV 18, where our car is going to stop for tonight. And if you do that and you guess correctly, tomorrow morning we will announce your name and we will clap and whistle for you.
Because we are like that. Look, the basic gist of life is stand, enjoy the journey, see the beautiful sights, the green fields, the magnificent new highway, and the highways are damn good in Andhra Pradesh and in Telangana. The traffic though could be a lot better. Telugu movies, I think you have a part to play in this, because everybody drives like they are a hero. Yeah! Scary.
But listen, when you head out for travel, very often all you need is a sense of adventure, excitement, and a great friend like me. Yes.
A great and reliable friend.
Like me.
I'm sorry, my friend. Let me introduce you to a truly great and reliable friend. And that is my friend Zoomcar. Not this guy. Now, here's the good thing about Zoomcar. They really trust you, so there's no security deposit. You know what else?
Yes.
What?
Convenience. At many places, for a small price, you can have your car delivered to you. But listen, I'm also very trustworthy.
Really?
Yes.
No, I don't think you're trustworthy at all. You're untrustworthy. You have to go pick him up from his house. That is completely opposite. Therefore, Zoomcar is my reliable partner over here. And as Anand Bakshi, Kishore Kumar and R.D. Burman once got together and said, Musafir hu yaro, na ghar hai na ठिकाना, mujhe chalte jana hai, bas chalte jana. Baya gadi jo, have a seat, let's move on.
Have you stopped singing?
The road is calling us. All set, ready to go.
Seatbelts!
Seatbelts, seatbelts. Hey, reliable partner. I hate your playlist here, but I really want to listen to some music.
Fine. Good thing for you that you have another reliable partner. And they can sort out your playlist. Simple. I just open an app, scan the sticker, and I get a Zoomcar India playlist.
Woohoo! Baja, baja, baja.
Yeah! Badao.
Woohoo!
Welcome to the bustling port city of Machilipatnam. Super crowded. We're just down the road from the bus stand, and then we came across this beautiful giant statue of Sai Baba.
Yeah, it is quite a stunning sight. So when you're in Machilipatnam, watch out for the traffic. Don't get killed. They don't really stop for anything. And come down to the Sai Baba temple. Now it's at the district court center, and it's a stunning sight indeed. It is a 54-foot high and a 36-foot wide statue. And this is actually a temple that was that started in 1994 and was built in 1998 when it was inaugurated.
But then in 2007, there was a gentleman, Mr. Rao. He commissioned this giant sculpture, which was made by Manikaila Rao and his son Venkateswara Rao.
He commissioned a giant sculptor to make this, huh?
No, he commissioned a sculptor to make a giant statue. But who knows? Maybe the sculptors were also very giant.
You're a very big guy. You had a small statue.
But the important thing is that this is now mentioned in the Limca Book of Records as the largest Sai Baba statue anywhere in the world.
Yeah, but largest or not, It's a beautiful statue. There's a 5-headed snake on top giving shade to the Sai Baba. And it's a lovely place to be to take a couple of photographs. So when you're in Machilipatnam, put that on your map. You can't miss it.